To share photos with nearby devices using QR code on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. Open the album where the photos you like to share are in. Select the desired photos to share. Tap share icon at the bottom of the screen. And then select quick share. Under share to devices nearby section, tap QR code or link button to start creating QR code. Now you can transfer the files directly phone to phone with devices near you by letting them scanning the QR code using camera or a QR code scanner. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.